Okay, so first of all, the S&P 500 is not 100% safer than a fund. S&P 500 fluctuates, and the only thing that is maybe 100% safer is if they buy a CD, and CD could pay 4% actually, so it's not that far off. But the way I position this is I tell people, here's a 6% reliable return. I suggest for you to put 250,000, get 8%. One of the things I'm doing right now is I'm raising money for a project, and I'm gonna present it. Actually, Eduardo, you're gonna be there on the 23rd, 24th. I'm doing the presentation there, and I was just talking to the person who's doing the event. And I'm gonna tell people, come and invest at 6% or 8%, but it depends how much money you're gonna invest. But what I'll do is something special for you. Number one, you can come every 4 months and see the progress of the project, so you can learn how we do the rehab of hotels and why we're doing a hotel and what hotels bring in terms of tax credits and benefits. So I'm adding some educational stuff to it, number one. And number two, I'm telling them, when we're done, if the project takes 2 years or 3 years, for every year you waited, I'll give you a free 1 week to use in the hotel in a special room in this landmark location. So add some bonuses and benefits for people. Either they're gonna learn or they're gonna get something special. But I definitely position myself as, I am paying 6% on a project of real estate where I'm adding value. So you wanna go and put in the stock market? Okay, stock market pay you 5%, and it's gonna change to 4, it's gonna change to maybe 5.5, but usually historically you have to wait a long time to average 8% in the stock market. With us, you can do this and that. And I'll tell you, at 6 and 8%, I've raised money for many years, and we've raised it successfully. If you can add some benefit, and I know you're doing hotels, you're finishing a hotel now, add that benefit to it. The hotel projects you're doing, you can say, you can get to use the hotel for X time. You can come and see what I'm doing, because I know you also do some trainings and all this. So use all the cards you have, throw them on the table to add value to the investors you have.